In this video,
we will learn how to fix high ping in Fortnite. In Fortnite, in order to fix your high ping issue, all you need to do is from the profile picture icon, left click on it. After that, click on the gear button under the profile picture icon. From here, you will be redirected to the settings tab of Fortnite. From here, you need to go to the games tab from the top hand side of your screen. In here, under the language and region setting, under the matchmaking region, you have to set it to the most lowest ping that is available in here. So as I am getting the lowest ping in Middle East, which is 87 ms, I have set it to Middle East. After you have set it to the lowest ping according to your region, you need to click on apply, then get back to the lobby. Now we have switched to the region with the lowest ping, and now in order to stabilize our ping with that region, all you need to do is from the search panel of Windows, come in here, type in control panel, then click on open. After that, we need to head to the network and internet settings, then network and sharing center. From here, we have to click on the change adapter setting from the left hand side of our screen. After that, we will find our connection that is currently in our PC. So if we are using an Ethernet connection, an Ethernet will be available, or if we are using a Wi-Fi connection, we can see a Wi-Fi connection in here. So whatever connection you have, right click on it, go to properties. Now from here, double click on the Internet Protocol version 4. In here, you can change your DNS address. So we'll input the DNS of Google in here, which is the most stable. And the alternative DNS will be 8.8.4.4. After that, we'll click on apply, then click on OK, then close it from here. Now we will go to the search panel yet again. From here, type in command prompt, click on open. Now from here, we need to type ipconfig/flush DNS, hit enter. It will clear our DNS resolver cache of the previous DNS, which will make it a completely new DNS address for us. After changing these settings, we will get a lower ping in Fortnite and we can enjoy the game comfortably. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.